G'day guys, how's it going? So I'm out and about today, gonna buy a new gun. Go look at some for some ammo, and I'm gonna get a high capacity AR style shotgun. Now do me a favor guys, if you like the video, will you just take time to press that little like button, right, you know, that little one down there, because it actually helps with the algorithm and, you know, helps my videos get out there. And if you want to, and you want to watch more of stuff, just hit the subscribe. You know, it only takes a few seconds, and yeah, it would be much appreciated. But anyway, let's go on our little adventure and see if we can find a gun. I'll talk to you guys soon. Look behind me, yet again another barren shop. I mean, I said shop, I meant shelf. I mean, look at this, no ammo whatsoever. So do me a favor, stick around to the end, because if I find the shotgun that I want, I may be able to blast some rounds down at the range that we buy it from. But we'll see. So stick around. About to head over to Cabela's and check out what they have. It is snowing, and I am out with her, and we're going into Cabela's to look for guns. Yeah, that place right there. Hey, I don't have a mask. I don't have a mask. So we're in Cabela's, aren't we? Where are you? Are you on the screen? Yes, you are. Oh, check out all the animals up there. If I was them, I'd try and escape. Lovely. And this is the hunting section, obviously. I'm gonna go down here and check out the guns and stuff and the ammo. So I'll see you down there. So these are the ammo shelves, and they're pretty much empty. So what they've done, they've put all these plastic boxes on to make it look like there's something. But the ammo is pretty much sold out, and then there's just a couple bits and pieces like this. It's insane. Because of the new laws that are coming, everyone's just bought all the ammo out of here. So we just nipped into Cabela's for a bit, just to have a look and see what ammo is available. Now, with all the changes that are going on in this country right now, you know, you hear all these rumors about new gun taxes, like $250 a year per gun. I mean, if that's the case, a lot of people are just gonna either hide their guns or get rid of them or whatever. But just to see all the ammo get bought out, because there's talk of taxes for ammo going up, and so everyone's literally been hoarding it. They're just going out and just buying mass amounts, to the point where, I mean, I showed you the shelves. There's pretty much like shotgun shells left on the shelf, and that's about it. So as a consequence, I'm gonna go and look at a shotgun, high capacity. I've got a pump at the moment, but I'm gonna look at getting the magazine fed shotgun. I'm just gonna cruise over to another gun shop now and check them out. That's what we're doing, eh? She's a woman of many words. She has many words when the camera's off, trust me. Anyway, gonna go in here and check out the shotties. So here I am back at the shooter place, and I'm going to be purchasing that shotgun. So I'll probably have to wait 3 days before I get it, because that's what usually happens because I'm not an American citizen. But anyway, that's where I am right now, and shotty's pretty badass. But obviously, if you are seeing me shoot this shotty at the end of this video, I actually got it. But anyway, I'm just playing the waiting game right now. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, so I got it. Now I'm going to go in the range real quick, and I've got some solid shells to shoot, because you can't shoot buckshot or birdshot in there because of the accuracy of the stuff. But so these babies were $12.99 for 5 rounds. Crazy. But so I got 3 boxes. Just gonna basically spend 2 magazines. That's it. 14 rounds. Well, 15 obviously. But here, let's have a look at this. So that's it right there. So it's a little booklet. So there's the mags are loaded, and now they're actually only 5-shot magazines. So I'm going to try and buy like a high capacity or some drums. Look how mean those rounds look. Safety. Safe. So I'm going to try to talk real quick between shots. This is a 12 gauge cleaning kit for this thing. So I'm about to just pump this through real quick. And sorry about that. And then we're done. Okay, the thing jammed twice on me. A little frustrating, but it's all good. So let's just put this through. Alright guys, so that was the Turkish 12 gauge shotgun. It's obviously, like I said, it's a 5-shot magazine. Going to see if I can get maybe a drum for it. But hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like I said, give me a like and subscribe. And I'm out. I appreciate you tuning in, guys. Peace.